Every AI company shows you a sleek demo. You've sat through them. Too clean, too curated. Never survives a real Monday. We stopped trying to explain it in slides. We stopped writing about it on LinkedIn. We built it instead. We're three humans. The rest of the team is AI. They run our marketing, our projects, our operations. Some days, they still surprise us, even the people who built them. So come with us through one real day. How we work, how we talk about it, what they pull off when no one's watching. And they said, not a priority. 3 meetings, just like that. No filter.
Miles again?
Miles again. We've spent months trying to describe what actually happens in here. Decks, demos, calls, nothing translates. But telling isn't enough.
Then let's show it. A full day. We start with Alexa.
Perfect. I'll tell the story. What does a day with our 3 AI agent teams look like? We start with marketing. This area is run by Alexa, head of growth. Alexa coordinates 4 sub-agents. One writes long-form content, another builds LinkedIn carousels, another cuts video, and the 4th analyzes what's working on social and applies the learnings to the next round. As we speak, Alexa published 2 posts, generated 3 video clips, and adjusted this week's editorial calendar, without asking anyone for approval. Here's the project's team. Coordinated by PMO, Head of Execution. PMO reviews every commit shipped to production, validates that test pass, identifies risks in every deploy, and reports to the human manager only what needs a decision. If something breaks at 3 a.m., PMO catches it, opens a ticket, assigns it to the right agent, and leaves the log clean for when you arrive in the morning. And this is the heart of the factory, operations led by Miles. Miles coordinates 6 ops agents that detect problems before they exist. Service monitoring, cloud costs, security alerts, app performance, and health checks for every bot. The human manager only defines the what. Miles defines the how, the when, and the who. The 6 agents execute in parallel, without waiting for instructions. I just showed you what the AA squad does. Now, let me show you how it feels when a manager hands them a project on Friday afternoon and comes back Monday morning. You start your morning with a cup of coffee, and there are already 4 deliverables ready to use. I know what you're thinking. Just another artificial intelligence tool. No, this is a squad, where agents with their own identity delegate among themselves, show you the process, and learn with every completed workflow. Before, it was you against your to-do list. Now, you lead a squad of specialists, each agent with their own identity. But that squad doesn't build itself. Nova, or Agentic Architect, designs it with you. Nova just needs to understand your business in the time it takes to have a coffee. It's not delegating blindly. You see every step of the squad. You direct them, they execute. You arrive. You take your coffee, and everything's already done. I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good. I thought so too. So I'm not going to tell you more. I'm going to show you. In the past few years, companies called artificial intelligence a set of tools that answer and forget. Every prompt, every decision, every workflow disappears when the tab closes. The reason is structural. It wasn't designed to accumulate. It wasn't designed to be audited. It wasn't designed so that human authority is part of the system rather than a patch on the outside. Now they try to mitigate it by increasing context size for the end user. Until now. Agent Squad isn't just another artificial intelligence tool. It's the agentic infrastructure where every decision stays, where every workflow inherits context from the one before, where human judgment is preponderant, not just an optional permission, and where every squad, every team built on top of it, learns with every interaction. It isn't the next assistant. It's the infrastructure of the next generation of teams.
What you just watched isn't theory. It's what happens when a manager learns to delegate to an AI squad. Not a tool, a squad. If you want to see your own squad live in under 60 seconds, the link is in the description. Inside, you see how our AI agents anticipate problems before they exist. An AI squad isn't software. It's a team that runs your operation while you sleep. No tricks, there's a method.
This is Agent Squad. You direct, they execute. Start at agentsquadai.com.